Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a delicious and easy kitchen basic. We're going to show you how to make homemade mayonnaise from scratch using only a few ingredients. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make mayonnaise from scratch. Many of you may already know how to do this, but for those of you who don't, this is how you make mayonnaise. If you are out of mayonnaise, if you can't get mayonnaise, if you're someplace where you just really want a tuna salad sandwich and you don't have any mayonnaise, but you have oil and eggs, you have mayonnaise. You just need to know how to make it. So, this is super simple and it tastes so delicious. We're gonna start with 1 cup of a neutral oil. What I have here is sunflower oil. You can use canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, any neutral oil. We're also gonna be using 1 large egg, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of kosher salt. So this could not be easier. I may or may not, I don't think I'm gonna use all the mustard that I put here, so I'm gonna use about that much. We'll put in our egg, and then a couple of healthy pinches of salt. You can regulate that however you like. You don't have to put salt in it at all if you don't want to, but it really does need a little something. So I'm using an immersion blender today. You can put this in your regular blender if you like, and you just have to wait for it to come, you know, to an emulsion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the immersion blender, we're gonna put it right over that egg yolk in the bottom. We're going to pulse it a couple of times, and then we're gonna start lifting it up. So here we go. And we have mayonnaise. It's like magic.
It's amazing.
Kind of cleaning off my immersion blender, and this is where you can decide if your mayonnaise is to your liking. I would like mine a little more salty, so I'm gonna add in the remainder of this salt that I have in here. I'm just gonna stir it right in. This is super rich and velvety, and it has a very eggy flavor. It is mayonnaise in its purest form. This is not like the processed stuff you're gonna find in a jar, although we all have it in our refrigerators and we all have our favorite. This is true mayonnaise. This is like the fanciest, most delicious mayonnaise. You don't have any mayonnaise at all, but you want some. This is super easy to make, and I think it is one of the most basic of kitchen basics that everyone needs to know how to make. If you don't have an immersion blender like I do, I'll leave a link down below where you can check out something similar to what I have. They're not very expensive anymore. In any case, this is how you make homemade mayonnaise. Super easy, super delicious, and I guarantee you've never tasted anything so delicious if you're a mayonnaise fan. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.